Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now, in today's video, we are going to be looking at the absolute best swing trading routine that I do every single Sunday to ensure I'm going into the week with some sort of game plan or mindset to make as much money as I can. I always imagine the week, ahead, like planning for like a football game. You need to have an offense, a defense, a playbook so you can pretty much score touchdowns in the trading world to make money. So we're going to be looking at the best swing trading routine that I do. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and swing trading in the market, how to find undervalued stocks, how to find stocks with opportunity, entries, exit points, all that good stuff for swing trading, check out our school. It's awesome. We offer private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. I know it sounds crazy because there's so many, so-called traders out there that claim to be the best traders to turn $100 into $1,000,000. I'm not telling you you can do that. I'm telling you you can be consistent. You can learn the basics to becoming a full-time swing trader. Like I always say, you are the result of your, actions. If you are somebody that wants to be a swing trader or a trader, but you don't put in the work, it's going to be hard to do. It's going to be hard to be a swing trader or a trader. So, check out our school, code beginner for 50% off. Only a couple spots left for that code. So sign up before the sale ends, which is, I think, in like 4 days. So make sure you guys sign up. I'll see you guys in there. And let's jump into this. So like I said, I always imagine the week ahead like a football game. I played football growing up and, we had an offense, a defensive playbook. We understood what was going on with that other team, their tendencies. And with the stock market, it's very similar. You got to understand the market conditions, what's working, what's not working. So we're going to look at some of the things that I do and use to help with my approach for the week ahead. So I hope you guys enjoy it and let's jump into this. All right, so the first thing that I always do every single week on a Sunday is I review current positions. So as of right now, we're actually not holding any stocks, which will make the video a little shorter for you guys. But more importantly, if you guys are holding positions, you're going to want to review them. You're going to want to review your stop loss, your exit price. You're going to want to understand, is there any earnings coming up? Was there any news articles over the weekend that could affect the current price going into the week? Doing that, it's going to be very, very important because if you don't, and that's just say you're in a position and they release an earnings report and it's a bad earnings, you could have prevented that. You could have sold out beforehand or whatever it may be. So you need to learn as much as you can with the current position that you are in on. So like I said, as of right now, we're not holding any stocks, which not a big deal. It happens all the time. What's the next thing I do? The next thing that I do is actually go to my swing trading journal, which is this. Now, this journal here, why I love it is because it has a trade breakdown. So what I mean by that is as we go to like the monthly overview, if I can click it, as we go to the monthly overview, you guys can see we've had a great month in January. Now, what strategy should we focus on here? So we had a great breakout month, but more importantly, moving average lines. Moving average lines have been the bread and butter of January. Using the 90-day, 200-day moving average lines have been very, very, very impactful on my account. So we're going to focus on that. We're not going to turn away from it. We're going to go head over heels and let's go and look at some positions with this. So, having a good swing trading journal like this will make your life so much easier. So I'll actually put a link to this down below. You guys can get it. It's like $20, which is super cheap. So sign up or just get it. It's download it. You can get it right on Google Sheets and you can have it forever. All right. After you guys do that, the next thing I do is I look and scan for opportunity. And so given right now, I'm not going to, fast forward. I'm not going to go scan for 3 hours and look for opportunity. I already did it beforehand. So, what I do here is I go to my opportunity list and I don't have a lot. Maybe have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stocks that show some sort of life, some sort of potential. And so let's go and see if we need to set any alerts or know what's going on more. So with VRT here, VRT, this was a stock here that hit this, which is that 200-day moving average line. The 200-day moving average line is this red line here. It hit it, and kind of the train has already left the station. But why I have it on watch is because we could still see a nice and steady trend right here. So I'm leaving it on watch, and I'm going to see what happens over the next couple of days. And so for this one here, I would love a push or a breakout above like the 120 mark. So we'll just throw an alert there. If it pops up above it, then it could be a little interesting to take a position with. Now, next one is ticker symbol TRP. TRP here, looking at the daily here. Look at this. The stock has sold off down to that 90-day moving average line, which is that blue line right here, in the past, and it had great buying pressure. Recently sold back down there, so we could see a nice move out of this. So looking at a lower time frame here, let's look and see what time frame looks the best here. So this one here, it does look like it's actually hitting this right here. Let's see, kind of something like this. So we'll just throw an alert above like 45. 45.99. See if it can get some buying pressure or a push up above this. I also want to look at like another time frame here. So hit the 30-minute, 200-day moving average line. So yeah, I think above 45.99 is fair for a breakout. Next one here is PRCH. This one here is staying on watch because it did get some buying pressure a little bit, after hours a little bit, as well as it's up today. This one here looks like it could be breaking out, which is really interesting. So we'll throw an alert above like $4.54. One of the issues that I have with this one here is the price. The stock right now is under $5. Stocks under $5 are very, very, very volatile. So you just have to be careful and be cautious with this. All right, another one here is PKG. PKG sold off due to bad earnings. The RSI is at a 24. But it's also approaching that 200-day moving average line, which the last time it was trading around it was all the way back in mid-2023. So it's been some time. So we could see a nice little move out of this, right? Nice little move. So we could see some sort of breakout. And this is kind of that trend line breakout right here. So we'll throw an alert above that and see here. Above like 215, which would be that little trend there. PEG here. This is a very similar approach. Nice trend line. Could see a move from like 83 up to 88. The daily looks really decent here. We do have a couple of resistance lines in sight, but it's definitely something to take note of. Not going to throw an alert above this one here. We're just going to continue to watch it and see if it can get a push up. GLNG here is over those moving average lines. So we did already confirm that, which is nice. So we do have this little trend going in this direction. Great breakout. It's trading above that 200-day moving average line up top, which is really, really interesting. So we could see a nice push up to like that $44 level. CMI here. Nice trend line. It's kind of sold off down below those moving average lines, which isn't the greatest, but we'll actually delete this one out of it. Another one here is ticker symbol BHE. BHE is hitting that 200-day moving average line, which acted as support in the past. So we could see a nice move from 42 to 50 to $52. Now, looking at that lower time frame, this would be, in my opinion, a trade, above that 200-day moving average line. That's the approach I would take for that breakout. But this is what you look for. This is what you do. In order to be a successful swing trader, you got to spend that time and journal and plan out those entries, plan out those trades. It'll save you so much time, so much headache. When that week comes, you're going to be prepared, and that's what you need to focus on. So guys, hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys did, hit that like button and subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more, check out our school. And the broker I use, guys, is Moomoo. Everybody always asks me, so I'll put a link to them down below as well. So click that link, sign up. I'll see you guys, and take care, everybody.